In this video, we'll be discussing credit and debit cards. We'll cover what these cards are, how they work, and the different types of cards available. We'll also discuss associated fees and offer some helpful tips on how to get the most out of your card. If you're interested in learning more about credit and debit cards, this is the video for you. Hello everyone, my name is Charles and welcome to our tutorial on understanding credit and debit cards. Today, we'll be taking a look at what credit and debit cards are, how they work, and why they are so important. We'll also be discussing the different types of cards, their associated fees, and some helpful tips on how to get the most out of your card. Let's get started. What are credit and debit cards? Credit and debit cards are payment cards issued by banks and other financial institutions. They allow users to make purchases without having to carry cash. A credit card is a type of loan, where the user can borrow money up to a certain limit. The user then pays back the borrowed money, plus interest, at a later date. A debit card, on the other hand, is linked to a checking or savings account. When you use a debit card, the money is taken directly from your account. Types of credit and debit cards. There are several different types of credit and debit cards. The most common type of credit card is the traditional card, which is issued by a major bank or financial institution. These cards typically have a low interest rate and rewards program. Other types of credit cards include store cards, which are issued by retailers, and secured cards, which require a security deposit. When it comes to debit cards, there are two main types, ATM cards and prepaid cards. ATM cards are linked to a bank account and can be used to withdraw money from an ATM. Prepaid cards are preloaded with a certain amount of money and can be used to make purchases. Associated fees. Credit and debit cards can come with a variety of associated fees. These fees can include annual fees, late payment fees, and cash advance fees. It's important to understand the fees associated with your card before you use it. Helpful tips. Now that you know a bit more about credit and debit cards, here are some helpful tips on how to get the most out of your card. First, always pay your bills on time to avoid late payment fees. Second, if you're using a credit card, make sure to keep your balance low to avoid high interest rates. Third, take advantage of rewards programs if your card offers them. Finally, always be aware of fees and charges associated with your card. Credit card brands. There are a variety of credit card brands available in the market. The most popular cards are issued by major banks such as Bank of America, Chase, and Citibank. These cards typically offer a variety of rewards and benefits, such as cashback, travel rewards, and points that can be used for purchases. Other popular credit cards include store cards, which are issued by retailers such as Amazon, Target, and Walmart. These cards usually offer exclusive discounts and promotions to cardholders. Additionally, there are cards issued by airlines, such as American Airlines and Delta, which offer rewards such as free flights and upgrades. Finally, there are cards issued by credit unions, which are typically more affordable than traditional bank cards. In addition to the major credit card brands, there are also smaller, lesser-known cards that can be useful for certain purchases or activities. For example, there are prepaid cards, which are preloaded with a certain amount of money and can be used for everyday purchases. Additionally, there are specialized cards, such as student cards, which offer specific benefits for students. No matter which card you choose, it's important to read the fine print and understand the associated fees and charges. This will help you find the best card for your needs. Conclusion. That's it for our tutorial on understanding credit and debit cards. We hope that this tutorial has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.